Thank you for joining the JAF on Tech podcast series. And this is where we talk about technology, artificial intelligence, policy, and the implications of the ever-changing world of information security. If you can leave a comment, a like, or subscribe, it would mean the world to us, especially the humans. Cybersecurity configuration in the modern enterprise. Cybersecurity has become a key part of the business world, touching many areas and tasks. At its core, we find the vital link between cybersecurity and IT asset tracking. This connection forms the base of a strong safety plan, as you can't guard what you don't know you have. Security teams depend on correct and current lists of IT items to spot weak points, judge risks, and put the right safety steps in place. On the flip side, IT asset tracking gains from security know-how, focusing on guarding and keeping up the most important items. The teamwork between cybersecurity and change control is just as key. As firms grow and shift, changes to systems and tech are bound to happen. Security plays a big role here, making sure these changes don't bring in new weak spots or harm current safety steps. Through safety checks, system tests, and always watching, security teams work closely with change control. They keep a fine balance between new ideas and staying safe. Weak spot management, a big part of cybersecurity, greatly affects the aims and success measures, such as key performance indicators, known as KPIs, of network control centers, tech builders, and IT help teams. As weak spots are found and ranked, these teams must change how they work to fix major safety issues fast. This often means juggling routine upkeep and new features with urgent fixes and system strengthening. The push to keep systems running smoothly while also keeping them safe can cause stress, but it also builds a sense of shared duty and teamwork. On July 19, 2024, CrowdStrike released a faulty configuration update for its Falcon sensor software, affecting millions of Windows PCs and servers. The update caused widespread blue screen of death errors, leading to significant disruptions across various sectors, including airlines, healthcare, and banking. The issue was traced to a logic error in the configuration file, channel file 291, which caused an out-of-bounds memory read in the Windows sensor client. This incident highlighted the importance of rigorous testing and validation processes for software updates, both from vendors and customers. There is often a tension between competing factions, those who are rightly conservative in rolling out virtually any change, and the move fast and break stuff ethos of Silicon Valley, epitomized by Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook. JAF on Tech cannot tell you which techniques work better for your environment, but knowing the risks and rewards for either is key to making the right decision. The working ties between security teams, security watch centers, and IT automation groups are complex and many-sided. While they sometimes have different goals, these ties are growing into bonds built on shared understanding and aims. Security teams give key threat information and safety needs. Security watch centers offer real-time watching and quick problem-solving. IT automation groups set up and keep the tools that allow fast, steady safety steps across the firm. The growing use of joined-up safety and tech practices further blends these groups, pushing for a more unified approach to safety. To check how well these teamwork efforts work, we often track measures like time to spot and time to fix. Common tools used for this include safety info and event management systems, problem tracking platforms, and special safety study tools. Putting new safety rules in place across different parts of a firm can be tricky. It needs careful handling and good talking. Good plans often mix teaching, teamwork, and rewards. By clearly explaining why new rules are needed, showing how they help the firm, and getting key people involved in putting them in place, security teams can build support and help. Regular meetings between departments, safety training, and praising security wins can help create a culture where everyone sees safety as their job. A big new rule comes from the Cybersecurity and Safety Agency. Apparently, they let AI name their new rule and also name the neat new agency the rule comes from. But I digress. They want to make key firms report big computer attacks within 3 days and ransom payments within 1 day. These rules are part of a new law. They aim to let the government see attacks across different industries. Looking ahead, the lines between security and other tech jobs will likely keep blending. The rise of smart computer systems in both threat spotting and tech tasks promises to bring new levels of auto work and smarts to safety steps. But this also brings new tests, like the need for safety experts who understand smart systems and the moral questions of letting computers make safety choices on their own. Also, cloud-based systems continue to change how we manage and protect tech items. Old ideas of building walls around our systems with moats and dragons are giving way to more flexible, identity-based methods. This shift calls for even closer teamwork between safety teams and cloud experts. It also means we need to rethink safety practices for short-lived, widely spread out systems.